How's it going, everyone? Today I'm gonna show you how to fix your Snapchat account if it was compromised. Now, the only way to do this is to change your Snapchat password so that the hacker or the person who compromised your account will not gain access to your account. Now, to do this, let's head on to Snapchat. And once you're in Snapchat, go to your profile icon right here and click on this gear icon. Now, under settings, click on password right here. Now, to set a new password, please enter your current password. And if you forgot your password, just simply click on forgot your password. And Snapchat will ask to choose how you want to reset your password, whether via phone or via email. So I'm just gonna set on via phone. So just enter your phone number real quick and click on verify, and Snapchat will send you a verification code and you can change your password after that. So let's say you don't have access to your Snapchat account when it was compromised. So let's say the hacker or the person who compromised your account gained full access to your account. Now the only way to do that is to go to your browser and go to Snapchat support form right here. Just search on that. And once you've done that, just click on the first result that pops out right here. So just click on that. So this will allow you to submit a request. So Snapchat will ask you, what can we help you with? So just click on, I think my account was compromised. It's the first option right here. Right here. So if your account has been compromised and you can no longer access it, please fill out the form below to contact support. So just scroll down and just type on your username, your email, and your mobile number and explain to Snapchat support what's going on. So right here, I would like you to go into detail on what happened to your account. So like, hi, I think my account was compromised, etc., etc. And after that, just click on submit right here and wait for Snapchat support to email you back, and hopefully you can gain access to your Snapchat account after that. So that's it for this video, everyone, and if you find this helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!